Hello, everyone. My name is Zhu Jing. I'm from Adamson University. Today, I want to report my paper. My topic is a correlational study on burnout among university teachers in Hunan, China. The part 1 is statement of the program. 1. What is the profile of the response in the following areas? Areas. 6. Academic qualifications. Job title. Years of working experience. Remunerational. 2. What is the teacher's response estimate of their burnout based on the following dimensions? Emotionalizations, dispensations, decreased sense of personal fulfillment. And 3. Are there significant differences in the estimate of the level of the burnout university faculty when the profile is taken as text factors? 4. What is the teacher's response estimate of the factors affecting burnout based on the following dimensions? 4.1 Management Systems. 4.2 Compensations and benefits. 4.3 Work stress. 4.4 Missional resource and interpersonal relationships. 5. Are there significant differences in the estimate of the course both out among university faculty when the profile is taken as text factors? 6. Is there a significant relationship between the level and the course of burnout among university faculties? And 7. What are the content measures may be reported to survey the program according to the result of the study? And the part 2 is summary, conclusions, and recommendations. Summary of the findings. Three differences in the assessment of the level of burnout among university teachers. There were no significant differences in burnout levels between male and female factors. It did not significantly impact burnout among respondents, and the difference in the endemic qualifications did not significantly affect burnout levels, and no significant difference in burnout levels were observed according to different job titles. Different in the assessment of the cause of burnout among university teachers. Significant difference in burn caused by job title suggests that different academic postulations influence populations of burnout cause. The percentage of burnout cost value based on years of experience suggests that the transitions influence the understanding of burnout cause. And 5.6 no significant difference were found in the percent of burnout cost based on theory, suggesting that factorial remuneration does not affect how burnout costs are provided. And the part 3 conclusions. The study diverse factor dimensions, including 6 area conflict job tics, years of experience, and remissions comprehensive understanding of burnout inquiries and under-resourced the need for including study to improve well-being. And the part is recommendations. 1. Independent support programs and record recommends in relation for teachers can help meet their burnout success, increase job satisfaction, and acknowledge their hard work. Impediment strategy to enhance job satisfaction and emotional supports, such as clean goal setting, reward feedback scenes, and Kuhn's surveys to address the dimension and emotional difficulties. Thank you. That's all. Thank you, everyone.